How to avoid Gold IRA scams. Warning signs to know. Investing in a Gold IRA can enhance your financial future, but beware of potential fraud. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. To protect your retirement savings, follow these essential tips. 1. Do your research, investigate the company's reputation and track record. Check reviews and consult regulatory bodies like the Better Business Bureau, BBB, and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for any red flags. 2. Verify credentials, ensure the provider is licensed and accredited. Unlicensed operators should be avoided. 3. Beware of pressure tactics, avoid companies that rush you into decisions. A reputable firm will allow you time to consider your options. 4. Understand fees, be clear about all fees involved, including setup and storage. Avoid firms with hidden charges. 5. Know the risks, ensure the company provides a balanced view of investment risks and rewards. 6. Check custodian's credentials, confirm that the custodian is a reputable, licensed financial institution. 7. Avoid low prices, be cautious of offers significantly below market rate, which may indicate fraud. 8. Ensure segregated storage, verify that your gold is stored separately from other investors' assets. 9. Get written agreements, document all agreements and promises in writing to protect yourself. 10. Consult a financial advisor, seek advice from an independent advisor before making any decisions. By following these guidelines, you can reduce the risk of falling victim to Gold IRA scams and secure your investments. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.